the kids in our family, I think, are activist-minded. Some of them are very much activist in their life, path. And to them, I think that, as my daughter said when she was about 6, that the solution, she said, Mommy, there should be a law. Nobody should be allowed to marry someone of the same color or the same religion. I'm like, out of the mouths of babes. But the downside of that is, the loss of cultural traditions and, a language that might be in the minority that really informs your worldview, your sense of connection, your identity, So we don't want to lose all the colors of the rainbow, So I think that's really a challenge because on the one hand and on the other hand,